around 1,200 pounds.
Airmen and their families enjoy the Practice Frontiers in Flight Air Show at McConnell Air Force Base, Kansas. The air show is on August 24th to 25th, 2024. It features 13 aerial performers, including the U.S. Navy Blue Angels, the U.S. Air Force A-10C Thunderbolt II demonstration team, Tora, and local pilots. U.S. Air Force video by Airman First Class Gavin Hamid.
Performance aerobatic biplane. Instructor actually got his start skydiving here in the miles an hour. It's set several world firsts, and we'll tell you all. That technology, of course, had the chance to see the afterburning turbojet engine of the F-35, and of course the afterburner earlier today. And this, of course, Empire, very early. Bill is one of the best aerobatic pilots in place, and by far one of the greatest. That's a lot of great blue for you and I inside that cockpit. Each and every maneuver he flies with a great deal of precision, and of course flies sometimes up to twice a day. His skills are very sharp, and of course the combat moves forces under pressure. Completing now the spiraling tower as he runs his way off to the right end of our aerobatic airspace. Tear things up for us here in the skies over McConnell. During Bill's performance, he will actually use the gyroscopic force of the engine as well as the propeller at times to fly the airplane seemingly out of control. For a couple of short bursts in time, he will be along for the ride, but he knows exactly when to put in the right input to get himself back into controlled flight once again. What we are seeing the finest Bill Stein here this afternoon. Coming by now into this maneuver we like to call the Deeks. As he rolls the aircraft, watch for some forward stick. There's the 9-inch tumble. Well, as he tumbles the aircraft, nose to tail with a look. He flies the aircraft up and over once again. Brings it right back towards the center of our aerobatic airspace.